In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the process from opening QuickBooks to generating the final report, and I'll also point out what each selection means so the report is more useful once it appears on your screen. To begin, go to QuickBooks Online and make sure you're on your main dashboard or home area. This is the starting point for accessing most of your company tools, including your financial reports. If you're already signed in, you can move directly to the next step. From the left-hand navigation menu, click on Reports. This section is where QuickBooks stores standard financial reports, management reports, and other useful summaries of your business activity. Since a balance sheet is one of the core accounting reports, this is where you'll find it. Once you're in the reports area, click on balance sheet. This opens the standard balance sheet report for your company. A balance sheet shows your financial position at a specific point in time by organizing information into assets, liabilities, and equity. In other words, it gives you a snapshot of what the business owns, what it owes, and the owner's stake in the business. After the report opens, look above the report for the report period dropdown. Use this dropdown to select the date or reporting period you want. This is an important setting because a balance sheet is tied to a specific date. Depending on what you need, you might choose today, the end of last month, the end of the quarter, or another custom reporting date. Be sure to choose the period that matches the financial snapshot you want to review. Next, select your accounting method, cash or accrual. This determines how QuickBooks calculates the numbers in the report. Cash basis generally reflects transactions when money is actually received or paid, while accrual basis reflects income and expenses when they are recorded, regardless of when cash moves. If you're working with an accountant or preparing reports for a specific purpose, make sure you choose the method that matches that need. Once those settings are in place, click Run Report to generate the results. QuickBooks will refresh the balance sheet based on the report period and accounting method